Okay, so let's get right into it. In recruiting, that first impression, it's literally everything, especially when you're trying to grab top talent in this crazy competitive market. How you introduce an opportunity can make or break the entire deal.
And that brings us to the million-dollar question, doesn't it? It's the challenge every single recruiter faces. You find that perfect candidate, but how on earth do you get them excited about a company they've probably never even heard of? And look, this isn't some small niche problem. We're calling it the first impression problem for a reason. Over 90%, think about that, 90% of companies out there aren't the big household names. They need to be sold, and a bland pitch just isn't going to cut it.
So what happens? Well, recruiters have to turn into detectives, right? We call it the grind. You're spending hours sifting through websites, digging through press releases, trying to piece together a compelling story from scratch. It's just a ton of manual work.
And that grind really adds up. On average, we're talking 4 hours. 4, just to research and write a pitch for one single client. That's half a day gone. It's just so inefficient. There has to be a better way.
And there is. This is where AI really starts to change the game. A tool called Employer Pitch by Calibre was built to solve this exact problem, to get rid of that grind completely.
So how does it work? It's incredibly simple. You plug in the basics: company name, website, LinkedIn. But here, this fourth step, adding your insider notes, that's the secret sauce. You add your unique human insight, and the AI weaves it all together.
And the result is, well, it's just a night and day difference. That 4-hour, half-a-day task we were just talking about, yeah, that's now done in seconds. The advantage is just staggering.
This is such a key point, because it's a total shift in mindset. You're not just a messenger anymore, just delivering facts. You're actually persuading someone. You're influencing them to see why this opportunity is the one they can't ignore.
And what that does is it completely transforms the conversation. You go from hearing that instant shutdown, "I've never heard of them," to the exact words you want to hear. "Okay, that sounds promising. Tell me more." That little shift, that's everything.
When you can do this consistently for every single client, you're building a massive competitive edge. It means you attract better talent, and you do it faster. It just elevates your entire game right from that very first message.
So it really makes you think. By turning all that raw information into genuine influence, AI isn't just making things faster, it's fundamentally changing the craft of recruiting. Which really begs the question, doesn't it?